operating mines and energy sites involves extremes. So, how can you enable a zero-harm environment, reduce costs, and make an AI-powered future possible? The answer is a secure, resilient network that goes wherever you do. Without reliable connectivity, even basic operations can fail. But with the right infrastructure, you can connect everything, everywhere. We'll build your company a digital highway to take it anywhere. This may include using fiber connectivity where feasible or microwave links where not. Adding private 5G for robust on-site voice and data traffic. And satellite connectivity to link your remote sites if ground-based links are impossible. Our hybrid cloud-centric networks lets your data move securely between sites, data centers, and hyperscalers. At its core is Global Fabric, our network as a service platform, providing exactly what your ecosystems need: resilient connectivity, secure integration, and universally high performance. Global Fabric's real-time digital operations and always-on connectivity also enable zero-harm environments, ESG excellence, agility, and cost optimization. Plus, advanced security comes as standard, tailored to your needs, giving you zero-trust security, AI-enabled networks, global compliance, and you can revolutionize worker safety and operations. Do more with less, using end-to-end visibility and streamlined operations. You can enable a zero-harm environment and use AI, IoT, and edge computing for predictive maintenance and real-time tracking. To reimagine mining and energy with BT, let's build the foundations of your digital future together. Get in touch to explore what's possible.